This video walks through unboxing the Lixel K2, assembling it, and activating both the hardware and software. Inside the box, you'll find the Lixel K2, its accessories, and the user manual. Before installing the battery, wipe dust from the power contact with the cleaning cloth to ensure a clean connection. A threaded socket sits on the bottom of the handle battery. Align it with the control point base and tighten the screw. Press the latch and slide the battery into the base until seated. Release the latch and confirm the battery is locked. Setup is complete. For first-time use, hold the power button for 4 seconds to power on. The device is ready when the indicator turns solid yellow. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone, launch the Lixel Go app, and sign in. Tap the wireless mode button at the bottom of the app. Select your device, tap Go, then tap Activate. Once activation finishes, fill in the form to request your LixelStudio license code. Alternatively, use wired connection mode. In the scanning interface, tap the red button on the right or double-press the device button to start scanning. The app will show Scan Initializing while the device indicator flashes green rapidly. Once it shifts to a slow green flash, lift the device slowly and start scanning. To stop, tap the red button in the app or double-press the device button. The green indicator flashes rapidly while data saves, then turns solid green to confirm the scan completed successfully. Hold the power button for 4 seconds to power off. After scanning, connect the device to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Press the device button once. When the indicator turns white, press it again to enter USB drive mode. The indicator turns solid blue. You can now copy the captured data to your computer. Use the charging cable included in the box. Connect the charging adapter to the battery to start charging. Open LixelStudio and click Go to Settings in the top left corner. Click License Activation and enter your code to complete activation.